I would like to introduce the HNC Roll Builder, an easy-to-use machine for the wrapping of calendered rubber sheet onto steel cores, for the quick production of rubber rollers. It is ideal for quick batch production of small to medium-sized rollers, such as those used in the graphics industry. The HNC Roll Builder is capable of forming rollers up to 350 mm in diameter and 2 meters in length. The Roll Builder is controlled from a touchscreen HMI and uses the latest Omron PLC and inverter technology. The Roll Builder uses a pneumatic arm in conjunction with 2 drive rollers to wrap the calendered sheet around the core. At the rear of the machine is the take-up roller. This removes the plastic backing from the calendered sheet. The speed of both the drive and the take-up rollers are fully adjustable and synchronized in automatic mode. Machine functionality and operator safety are key features of our machines. The Roll Builder features a light curtain on the pneumatic powered arm. Should this beam be broken at any time during the process, then the arm is automatically raised and the automatic process is stopped. Another key feature of the machine is the diameter measurement system. Here we measure the core at 70 mm diameter. As you can see, the display measures the core within the tolerances of the machine. The arm is lowered onto the core. The operator then selects the setup mode. Here, the operator sets the required finish diameter. In this example, it is 80 mm. The calendered sheet is then placed over the core and the arm lowered. Another safety feature of the machine is the operator foot switch. This must be pressed for the main drive to rotate and to run the automatic cycle. If at any time during this process the foot switch is released, then the main drive rotation will stop. Once the foot switch is pressed, the cycle start button flashes, indicating the machine is ready. On pressing the cycle start button, the main drive roller rotates at the speed set by the potentiometer. Simultaneously, the take-up roller rotates at the speed set. The calendered sheet is then wrapped around the core. The machine continually monitors the roll diameter and automatically stops once the roll reaches the set diameter. The calendered sheet is then cut from the roll. We have a quick check to ensure the roll is at the specified diameter, in this case 80 mm. The roll is then ready for wrapping. The curing tape is placed through the 2 front rollers and placed over the newly formed roller. The main drive roller is rotated and the tape is tensioned by the operator traversing along the length of the roller. In no time at all, the roll is fully wrapped by the tape. Here we have a finished roller. As you can see, the HNC Roll Builder quickly produces rollers ready for curing in the autoclave. It is ideal for batch production of standard size rollers and is simple, easy to operate and safe. Thank you for watching.